Is it because of you we come here?
Week is gonna go on.
Are we a joke to you?
Week is gonna go on.
Nobody cares. We have seen you without no week.
So this is our first day back to work. So we're going to the studio this morning. The boys are behind us. We're gonna drop them on our way to the studio. As you can tell, we have the Christmas tree there. So we're taking this Christmas tree back to where it belongs. It belongs to the studio. So we're gonna take it there and tidy up there because it's not coming back. It's not coming back to our house next year, but we're gonna use it for the studio next year. Yes, Baba. In the what?
Oh, they open this place.
Well, no, what I'm trying to say is that I'm going to take it there and tidy it up. I'm not putting it up. But instead of tidying up and leaving it at home, I'd rather tidy it up and leave it at the studio. Just so it's there. You know what I mean? But yes, guys, I'm always running late. As you can tell, I haven't done my makeup. I usually do my makeup in the car. So yes, I am going to start doing my makeup now. Okay? Guys, say morning.
Morning.
The boys are going to school. Are you excited?
Yes.
That boy is excited. That boy is always excited. So we're gonna drop them and then we're gonna head off. Yeah, so guys, I've finished now. Yes, nice and simple makeup. Am I looking good, Bolu? Kind of. That's Bolu's English. But yeah, I'm gonna do a little bit of checking my emails on my computer, and then I'll see you when I get to the studio.
And I'll see you when I get to school.
Yes, so guys, we just arrived. So usually when I come to the studio, I like to go from the back side because it's like an industrial area from the back. From the front, it's more like a business center. But because I have a lot of stuff here, I would prefer to go from the back because the back is very close to the lift. Okay? Yes, so yeah. So I'm returning this back to the studio camera. My makeup is not really bad. Nice and simple. Right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna arrange my style setup because my client is coming, and also we are shooting for MAB. You know MAB. MAB is Mobile Afro Hairdresser and Beauty UK. On that platform, you can register to book us or you can register to work with us. Okay, it's called Mobile Afro Hairdresser and Beauty UK. We're available countrywide. Okay, link is gonna be down below. So yeah, we're gonna be setting up now. And yeah, that's Bella. Bella is running. She don't want to be in my vlog, but you can see her from here. That's her. But yeah, I'm gonna set up and then I'll be back. Okay? Yeah, that's how we vlog. Hey.
I don't want to laugh. I don't want to ruin this vlog, so let me not ruin the vlog.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey. Come in.
Oh wow. Oh my god.
Hey, you want to lost in this small place?
Massive.
You want to lost in after you've reached. Okay. Because there's a list that will tell you this number is on this floor.
Hey, lovely place. Wow.
Thank you. Ah, this is my first day, so
Your first day.
you may not like resuming now. I just resumed.
Oh,
This
hello.
song have to be
Happy
on
New Year.
Happy New Year. Oh, how are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Remember her? This is my village sister from my village.
Do you have
For my
like
really.
Yeah.
Yeah. I told her now. I told her that day that I told her. No, he even actually told you that he saw me.
Yes, yeah.
Which place is life?
You know I'm not travel. But people like
I
you will not
know-
appreciate
I know
me.
most
What?
about
You
this.
can't appreciate me. You're sitting down with beautician chick in the house.
For free of charge.
Beautician chick.
I know
Google it. Google it. Google it.
it.
Google it. Then you know.
Why is your YouTube so man?
I know, right?
Oh God.
Because I'm a nice person. I'm really
What?
nice.
Google the name.
Okay. Are you ready? Hi guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Hey, your girl is back and it's New Year 2020. So guys, that's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about this makeup, the hair, everything. Like us. Finally, I just finished doing makeup, doing hair. Actually did braiding. It took forever guys, but yeah, your girl is eating noodles. The good thing is here I can actually cook here in the studio. Your girl is so tired, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna work on the computer. Then I'm gonna start tidying up. Everywhere is so messed up. Look, the studio is messed up, guys. When I finish filming, it's like a mess. Let me show you guys around. A big mess. Look at that. Look at the water. This is the water I use for the braiding. Everywhere is messy. Ring light here. Messy. Everywhere is messy, guys. That's how everywhere looks as soon as I finish filming. Actually, guys, I'm so tired. I'm gonna sit on the floor here and eat, just so I can just relax. Your girl is so tired. It's better to sit on the floor. I don't like eating my noodles like this. When I eat noodles, I like to have pepper, fish, sardine, egg, and all of that kind of stuff. But today, this noodles is just plain. I didn't bring anything. I don't have anything in the studio because this is my first day actually. Guys, this is my first day after the holiday, so I have a lot to do. I'm gonna finish eating and continue. I'm gonna kind of rearrange the place because everything's all over the place. I'm gonna rearrange everywhere when I finish. Arrange, tidy up, and I have some things I want to take home as well. Oh my god, I have to change this. I'm tired of these colors. I want to buy plain. The reason why I bought colored one is because of photo shoots, but I'm just tired of them. Just want to buy plain. Don't want color right out here. Change them. To be honest, I never thought I'm gonna enjoy Indomie without pepper, egg. But when you're hungry, anything goes. I just think I need to take another 1 week off. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna work this week at the studio, work next week or maybe so or so, and I'll take a week off. Guys, it's not easy. What to do today? I'm not gonna go home early. I'm gonna go home really late today. After I finish eating, I'm gonna go on the computer. I actually missed a lot. I missed because I was on holiday. I've not been in the studio, so I missed a lot of hair. Yeah, hair that I was sent to do review. I missed a lot of them, so I have to request redelivery. And he actually gonna delay so many things. Because I'm supposed to film one hair review today, but I can't because I haven't received the hair. When you're hungry, eat anything. I will never eat this at home, like noodles without pepper, no egg, no fish, no sardine. Never. When you're hungry, eat anything. In fact, it tastes really yummy. I am Poppy. Guys, book mobile Afro hairdresser at Beauty UK. Okay?
Chichi, I've been vlogging since morning. I'm just looking at her. She's not even call me. You guys, then you are looking at her. It's not good, you know.
Look, I've made a mess.
Look, then it's about for us to go. She made a mess. What kind of makeup artist are you? Make a mess makeup
I
artist?
need tissue.
You see?
I haven't got my wigs on, but guys, show them around. I've done all the cleaning.
Okay.
It was a mess before.
Do you do the cleaning or we do the cleaning together?
We do the cleaning together.
Yeah, don't be saying as if that you are the hero here. You are not the
Oh, I'm
hero.
not the back. Showing Chichi is different than last time I've seen it. Anyhow. Okay.
Then everywhere is clean.
Yes, guys, nice and clean. I'm just trying to tidy up here. I made a mess. Wig is off. Wig off.
You are just so
Oh, Lord.
not care, isn't it?
Guys,
Is this beautician chick?
wig is off. This is beautician chick.
Is this beautician chick? I can't believe
This
this.
is beautician chick. Beautician chick cannot be popping all day.
That okay,
Sometimes-
beautician chick is normal human being as well.
Yes, I don't need to pop all day. I can pop when I want to pop.
They're not popping every time, isn't it?
No. Yeah, so that's it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey. Yeah, so guys, that's it for today's video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Okay.
Is it because of you we come here?
Week is gonna go on.
Are we a joke to you?
Week is gonna go on.
Nobody cares. We have seen you without no wig. We did not care.
Now you see my head, now you don't.
We did not care. We did not care to see you with wig.
Hey.
Bye.
Bye guys. Mwah.